What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to write rejection email to the final round candidate. If you're a user person and using the Claude, you will be learning about how to send it via the Claude without even opening your Gmail account. So here is the application that I have wrote down. If you're using the Claude for the first time, you might need to add the connector of Gmail. So here you just go to the connectors and connect Gmail. It will open a new page on a browser where you just have to authenticate your Google account. Now, once you're here, I have wrote a detailed prompt. You just need to know that you have to mention the role, the task, and then the formatting. These are very important steps. So present each email sequentially, bold the subheadlines, and use the Gmail connector. This is the something that you need to keep in your mind. So over here, you will see that your writing merges the strategic commanding power of Robert Greene with the technical empathy and the psychological leverages of Chris Voss. These are the two authors. Robert Greene has wrote 48 Rules of Power, where Chris Voss is famous for the psychological leverages. So if you combine both of these, you will end up having this sort of email. Dear candidate, thank you for the time and effort you brought to this process. Making it to the final round reflects genuine ability, and that should not be overlooked. After considerable deliberation, we have moved forward with another candidate whose specific background aligned more precisely with the immediate needs of this role. This decision was not a reflection of your capability, it was a reflection of a very specific set of circumstances. We will not be extending an offer at this point. I will encourage you to stay in contact. The caliber of the candidates who reach our final round is not something we take lightly. And the professional landscape changes. I genuinely wish you success in what comes next for you. So this is how you guys can write it. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one.